What's up, YouTube subscribers, YouTube land? How's it going? Got my friend right here. Actually, I got like 20 of these damn cats. Look at that. I've only sold one on Amazon. I have it listed on eBay and Mercari. But yeah, I got like 20 of them. I need to get them moving. I'm here. It's time for fill a bag day. 3 liquidation stores. I'm at the first one. I'm gonna go to the other 2. I'm gonna try to get at least 1 bag from each. And I know at the other store, the second store I'm gonna go to, they have this one book that I want to sell on Amazon FBA. I'll make about $15 a book. It's a hot seller. They had about 30 of them the other day. I'm hoping they're still there. We'll see, but let's see what else I find. There's a book I left yesterday here that was worth $200. I want to get that book because I didn't have my credit card on me. Shaking my head. SMH. And we're gonna try to get that book. There was another book for that's worth $30. I want to see if that book's still here, and I'm gonna fill my bag up at this first store, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Let's go. Man, they're at capacity. I waited in my car. I'm like, I always go in regardless. So this time I should have waited in line, and I would have gone in. They're at capacity, and it's just, I guess because they only have a certain amount of bins open, so it's smaller, the space. So I'm gonna go to the other store, which is like 3 times bigger, and I'll probably just walk in there. So let me go. I also grabbed that book. I'm looking for these. They sell like crazy. I've been running into this book for months. I decided to finally pick it up. There's my bag. That's my main product right there. So a disclaimer, I'm gonna sell them on Amazon, but I don't have the proper receipt, so I'm taking a risk. But yeah, those things sell really good on Amazon. But I want to let y'all know that when you sell on Amazon, you need a receipt with the UPC code and all that. But me, I take risks sometimes. And the purpose for a receipt is if you get a claim saying that your item is counterfeit, obviously, looking at that, that's not counterfeit, come on. But if you had a claim, you would need a receipt to prove you bought it from a legitimate place. So these would go good on eBay. And they sell for like $8, $8.99, I believe, on Amazon. Just some nice West Texas scenery. Check that out. The desert, beautiful. Mountains everywhere. Can't really see all the mountains, but yeah, there's mountains. All right. We got another store, another liquidation store, same company. This one's on the other end of town. And I gotta see what I get for $15. I forgot to say earlier, every bag is $15. Fill a bag. As much products you can fill in it. So let's make that money. And remember, don't let that money make you. Let's get it. I didn't really grab too many books. I'm just showing you a nice little view real quick. These sell for about $9, $10 nowadays, but 2 years ago, I sold a bunch for $100 a piece. That's the second bag, mostly Halloween makeup. This one item is the majority of it. A few of these, but mostly that. These are expired, but it's tuna. They had a bunch of them. You could have got a bunch for $15, but yeah, your health is probably important. But me, I eat expired stuff. I don't care. As long as it's not too far expired. To me, it's more like a suggestion. But with this makeup, unless it's like milk or something, then I won't even touch that. But this makeup, I'm gonna try on Mercari or eBay auction. I don't know yet. Let's see what happens. I like to put stuff at 0 when I auction it on eBay. I like to put 0 or 0.1 cent and 0 shipping, and I like to see what happens. I like taking risks. Now I'm back to store number 1. Everything's probably picked through, but let's see if I can find anything. Surprisingly, there's still stuff. There's books I could look through. Let's see, there's books. Fill a bag, $15. I could get a bunch of books that are worth money, but I gotta scan through everything, of course. So let's see if I find anything. This is that book I left yesterday. Check this out. So it's gonna be acceptable. And when you don't have the barcode, oh, it's missing a page. When you don't have the barcode accessible, you go ahead and scan that ISBN number right there. It'll come out. So I got my $230 book used. The rank is in the 2 millions, which isn't too great. So it can sit a while if I send it to FBA. Let me check Keepa real quick. I'll get back to you. Boom, boom, boom. I've sold 3 of these last month, and they actually range between the 80,000 rank and about 100 and something thousand in books. So I already know they sell. I'm only buying them for $1. I'm gonna profit about $4, close to $5 a book. So I'm right here. I'm just looking for as many as I can find. So you still can make money off Dollar Tree. On Amazon, yeah, $14.99, and they do take a lot of fees, but I'm only into it for $1, so that doesn't bother me. Got 6 of them. There's another one, but I don't want to get too many. I've never sold it before. I want to just try out that one. I almost missed that one. And another one. $3 for that one. Profit. Throw it in a box. Why not? Make $3. Well, that one's dented. Probably sell it very good on eBay. But nah, I don't feel like taking the time. So I see 2 more right there. 1. This is a high rank book, 89,000 or 80 something thousand in books is good. And I've sold like 4 before. Got a nice little haul. I'll show you the profits right there on the screen. What y'all think? So I'll make about $1.83 if I merchant fulfill these. Sometimes I get multiple orders. So you make more than $1.83, you'd make like, say if you sell 3, you'd make like $5 or $6. Save on shipping. So I'm gonna list that I have it and see what happens. These sell for $17.98 on Amazon. They're only $1 here, but there's no sales rank. First product, Under Armour. These spend $12.97 with tax and make $20 profit. So I ran out of battery on my phone at Ross, at the last one. Now I'm at this new Ross that just opened up, but I want to show you guys this. I bought this at Five Below for $8. It's a Bluetooth transmitter. So you put the radio station, you put it right there on the transmitter. It plays everything from your phone onto your radio station, so you could listen to Pandora, YouTube, all that. And my phone was at 2%, now it's at 20% in 10 minutes. So this thing charges fast. 3 amps, 3.1 amps. So yeah, I recommend this, whatever the hell it is. Cheap ass Chinese brand, but we'll see how long it lasts. So far it's sturdy, it works good. I bought 4 sets of 3. They sell for $13.99 for 3. Five Below. I'm gonna try that product out. $3.75 for 3 because you have to sell it in a pack of 3. So that's my buy cost, and I'm gonna make $5 to $6 each. And I bought 4 to try it out. So 5, 10. That's an easy $20, but makes for good footage. And I'm not even parked over here. So I wanted to really go to Marshall's, but I still wanted to check out Five Below, which I got to do. And if these all sell, I only got like a third of them. I'll go back and buy the rest. I got a merchant fulfill them when they sell. So I'm gonna go to Ross right there. All over the radio kept saying that Ross was open. I heard it for like 3 days, I swear. I go and it's closed. So right next door is Didi's, and that's where I'm at. Let's see if I find anything here. Like I say, I always get tongue tied. So I'm like $10. I've been selling scrubs a lot on Amazon, and I sell Dickies all the time. It's a good seller. No one else is selling it, so I'm gonna sell it. $10, make about 10. These used to sell for $37. Nobody's selling them, so I'm gonna merchant fulfill if I can. If they sell, I'll ship them, but if not, I'll just switch it back to FBA and send them in. Let's see if we could sell this on Macari. Man, I ran out of time. Whew, my day goes by super fast.